Hey guys, how's it going? So, as much as I love macOS, I still use Windows as my daily driver, which I'm sure a lot of you guys will relate to. Now, Windows has evolved a lot, and with Windows 10 come a lot of new features along with some great shortcuts. These shortcuts make your everyday life super easy. But do you guys know them all? Well, that's what this video is all about. Today, I'll be sharing with you some of the coolest and the most useful and productive shortcuts that you can use to make your life easier and faster. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with something simple. Say you want to make a new folder on your desktop. So instead of right clicking and creating a new folder, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N and that's it. Simple, no? Speaking of this, how about easily renaming stuff? Just press F2 on a file or folder to easily enter the renaming setting. Now it goes without saying that File Explorer is one of the most used apps on your PC, right? Well, you can launch it super quickly by just pressing Windows plus E. Now that you're in the Explorer, you can press Alt plus P to enable or disable the preview panel. This is great if you just want to take a quick look at your images without having to fully open them. Okay, so one of the most used shortcuts that everyone should know about is how to launch Run. It's just as simple as pressing Windows plus R. Now, while this does not launch the service with elevated admin privileges, the overall functionality should serve fine for most of you guys out there. Speaking of using the Windows key to launch certain apps, there is a ton of other stuff you can do with it. The most commonly used shortcut in this aspect is opening Windows settings that you can launch easily by pressing Windows plus I. Okay, so if you're someone who copy pastes a lot of stuff, I do, this next shortcut will come in super handy. Just press down Windows plus V and it will open up your clipboard history. Now, if this is your first time using this shortcut, you'll have to enable the option to show the clipboard history. Now, for all of you productivity enthusiasts out there, I know how important it is to just take a quick look at your daily planner, your calendar and your time. Well, in that case, you can just press Windows plus Alt plus D to quickly open the date and time in the taskbar. Speaking of productivity, if you like to multitask a lot, I'm sure you operate with multiple apps on the same window. Well, instead of dragging a window to the side edge to snap it there, you can just press down the Windows key plus the arrow key of your choice to snap that window to the left or the right side. Taking this to the next level, if you're someone who operates with multiple desktops, you can just press Windows plus Shift plus the arrow key to move an app between different monitors. Now, Windows also makes it easier to take screenshots. Instead of launching the sniping tool to crop and then save screenshots, you can just press Windows plus Print Screen and then Windows will capture your entire screen and automatically save it to your screenshots folder. Now, if you're someone like me, you know that I love to use emojis quite a lot. And for that, Windows has a super cool shortcut. While typing, you can just press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon to quickly launch the emoji panel. Okay, so if you're a power user, one of the most important apps for you has to be the Windows Task Manager, right? Well, you can quickly trigger it by simply pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Another cool feature that Windows 10 comes with is that by simply pressing the Windows plus D keys, you can minimize all your windows and take you to the desktop. Now you can press the same shortcut again to open them all up. This comes in super handy if you quickly want to hide your work from prying eyes. Now, speaking of desktop, one of the coolest features that was brought on by Windows 10 has to be virtual desktops. You can create a new virtual desktop by simply pressing down Windows plus Ctrl plus D. Or you can press Windows plus Ctrl plus F4 to close the active virtual desktop. Lastly, to navigate between these various desktops, just press the Windows plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow key based on the direction where you wish to navigate. Now, I love to pin my apps to the taskbar. I can just press the Windows key plus the number corresponding to the app on my taskbar and poof, the app will be launched. So if Photoshop is at my number 4 position, all I have to do is press Windows plus 4 to launch Photoshop easily. Speaking of launching apps quickly, how about creating your own shortcuts? Well, it's super easy. Just create a shortcut of the file or folder you want to. Now, open its properties by pressing the same shortcuts you saw earlier in this video. Now, inside the shortcut key tab, you can record your custom shortcut for it. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Also, share this video with all of your friends to let them all know about all the essential shortcuts that every user on Windows 10 should be making use of. Till the next video, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.